friends. You want to make a lot of money? You want to be successful? How do I get from where I am to where I need to be? These are few questions which we get every time when we think of earning money and getting successful. In this video, we will show you how you need to train your brain to earn money. People tell you money doesn't buy happiness, but that one line alone doesn't mean much. It can't help you find a wife or a husband. You can't buy your way to a better body. But what happens when you have no money? When you are deep in debt? When you are unemployed? When you can't afford to give your family what they need? Now you see money in a different light. Money is insanely important. You can't live in this world without it. For that, you need to change your thought process also. Rich thinking habit makes you rich. Poor thinking habit makes you poor. I go for a walk is a habit. I do cycling is a habit. I read books is also a habit. Even to think good things is a habit. Now here it is what you can do to make more money through training your brain, and before that you need to set a goal, a financial goal for the kind of lifestyle that you want to live. In order to achieve your goals, first you have to have the clarity of what they are. After you set a financial goal, what you can do is read this affirmation which says, I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning 50,000 a month. You can pick any amount which you want. Now read this affirmation every morning and night 5 to 10 times before going to bed. And as you read that affirmation, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to practice mentally rehearse. Visualize what that looks like. And what does that do? It primes your brain to see and feel as if it is real right now. And that activates the different parts of your brain, specifically the left prefrontal cortex, which is genius, CO, Einstein part of your brain that can actually help you figure out how to achieve that goal and dream. And if you want a bonus step, what I want you to do is take a vision board, either on your computer or a physical board, and cut out some pictures of what lifestyle earning 50,000 a month will allow you to live. What kind of car would you like to drive? What kind of places you would like to go for vacation? What kind of home would you like to live in? What kind of charities would you support? Get pictures of the outcome of earning 50,000 a month and start to see yourself in that scenario, visualize and act as if it is real right now. And then every day, ask yourself a question. What can I do today to make that amount of income a reality? And take 1 or 2 action steps towards making that a reality. So, the physical action, in addition to mental rehearsal with affirmations and mental rehearsals, visualizations, is one of the best ways to start priming your brain to achieve the financial goals you have set. So next time your friends or co-workers tell you money doesn't buy happiness, but poverty doesn't either, you can tell them what it does buy. It buys you your essentials, your tools, and your future. Do like and share this inspiring video.